Take a ride in the 2025 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic climate control, carpeted floor mats, wheel locks, lumbar support, first aid kit, cargo tray. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.